and welcome back to the channel, because I can't say welcome back to another video, but I think that's long overdue, so we're gonna ignore that and just say welcome back to the channel. Okay, and today we have this look which I have no name for it, no idea what I'm gonna call it. I have no idea what I'm gonna call it, so I'm gonna say it's called the look to come back to YouTube with. Yeah, the look. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and I'll talk to you shortly again. Okay guys, to start this look, I am going to take my Illegal Pro Concealer per usual and blend that around my nose bridge, just so if I'm applying my foundation later on, it's going to make it very easy to blend with the eyeshadows, hopefully. I'm going to be taking my NYX Jumbo pencil that I deposited into a little container because it's so much easier, okay? I'm trying to sharpen it and then sharpen away all my pencil, so easier. And just put it all over my lid to prime. First color I'm going to be using is from my HankandHendryBeauty, the Temptress Alter Ego Kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Whiskey Dry. Okay, that shade. It's a bit deeper than it looks on camera. That's probably because the lights are too harsh for it. But I'm going to put that all up in my crease and outer corner as well. Now that I have that on, I am going to be using... I'm going to go in with my Xuri Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I'll be using the shade Papaya. Yep, that one. It's a really nice. Ooh, it's pigmented. Okay, now this is my first time using it, so hence the dramaticness. Oh, okay. I'll take Sunrise from my Xuri palette as well, just to lightly diffuse out that orange. Going back in with Whiskey Dry, just to blend it out. I'm going to take Reina, that one, from my Xuri palette, with the same brush. I'm going to do the same to the other eye just so I can keep it up. So I am really packing the color on just to build up the crease, as you can see. And then I'm going to go back in with Papaya and Sunrise. So basically I'm working through Whiskey. I've been using Whiskey, Reina, Papaya and Sunrise, back and forth. So, black shade right there in the crease. And I'm just going over that black lightly. I don't want to blend it out too much because I want to see the depth. I want to have the depth in there, but just want to diffuse that line a little bit. Okay. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk. Jumbo pencil. NYX eyeshadow base in white. And cover my crease. For now, I'll put it as a half cut crease, I believe, because I'm not sure what I'm doing. So I'm just going to cut it halfway first, and then I'll think about what I'm doing later on. Okay, So I'm gonna put Amara onto my outer corner just to blend the edge out, which is from the Xuri palette. And then I'm going to use Temptress again, except I'm going to be using the shimmery shade right there. My shimmery shade from the Temptress, from the Temptress palette right there, next to Reina, just, you know, that's a nice transitional shade from the matte to shimmers. Ooh, look at that, beautiful. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I want to try this shimmery shade in the Xuri palette as well, so I'm going to take in the shade once I find a brush. I'm going to use Amara right there. That's a shimmery shade. It's a bit lighter than Temptress, than the shade in my Temptress palette, I mean. Black, and I'll put it on the outer corner as well. Should I? I can't need depth. I do need it. So sad. But I'll mix the black with Reina though, just so it's really easy to blend. Well, a little bit easier to blend. So I'm going to mix black and Reina. So I'm going to use Pretty in Pink, the glitter at the bottom. It's also Hank and Henry. Yeah, Pretty in Pink. And I'm just going to put that lecture. I need to see a mirror so I can explain it. Okay, I'm going to put that just right next to the cut crease. So just right there, just to give it kind of like a halo of glitter shimmerness, you know. So for my eyelashes, I'm going to be using my Tatti Lashes eyelashes in number 4, well, TL4. And this is what it looks like. It's so fluffy and beautiful. It's a luxurious mink 3D eyelashes. I know, I'm joking, I'm just messing out. But yeah, and it also comes with a glue. Actually, yeah, I'm going to try the glue as well. I haven't. So I think I'm going to be using this one because right off the bat, this was the first thing that, you know, attracted me, and I was like, oh my god, I want to wear it. So that one. Now we're just gonna move on to doing the face, and I'm gonna use the same as always, you know, my Revlon Colorstay foundation in 14 Cappuccino, except now I mix it with my Nip and Fab foundation darkener. My concealers, Toffee Beautiful Bronze, no, Toffee Beautiful Bronze highlight. And my black Opal True Color Finishing black Opal Sub Velvet Finishing Powder in dark 600. And I'm gonna be setting the rest of my face. Favorite blush at the moment is the Makeup Obsession eyeshadow in Burnt. It's like a really nice orange eyeshadow. It's just beautiful. Alright, for my under eye, I'll be using Papaya, Reina. Is it Reina? Yes, it is. Papaya, Reina, maybe a little Sunrise, and the Temptress Whiskey. I could just say Whiskey, but I feel like it just sounds dead and boring, so just say Whiskey. I'm gonna take my black gel liner and put that under my eyes, smudge it out a little bit so I can make the bottom lashes really smoky, because right now they're anything but smoky and I want it smoky. Oh, but it's so far away. Just put eyeshadow. This is what laziness gets you in life. Nothing. Go to the base. Taking my Makeup Addiction highlighter in, oh my god, what was I gonna say? Rose gold? No. Bronzified. I'm using it. Set my face. I'm using my two favorites, NYX Dewy and Matte Finish. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. For my lips, I use my Primark P.S Kohl eyeliner pencil in brown wink. It's a lip eyeliner, but I use it for my lips. And also I use their P.S Super Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Kiki, I believe. Yes, in the shade Kiki. That's actually really nice, you know. This is my first time trying it and I like it. And I also went in with my Galactic Lip Gloss from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Ariel for Eric. Yeah, just in the center right there. Just, you know, 74 realness. Yeah, I wanted to do neatly, but I was like, you know what, Jace, we're gonna come back with a bang. So we put a full, you know, hair clip. Anyways, this is a fully finished look. If you do like it, don't forget to hit the like button, you know, I like that. Comment, subscribe, and well, stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. I am gonna, you know, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I was gonna say it, but I'm not gonna say it. So stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.